I think we pulled off a big giant double top. I think we're gonna go ahead eventually over the next few months, come down here and test this. There's just way too much liquidity trapped down here by market makers. Let's get off the daily. We have this like anti-bat going on here. I'm just looking for any kind of harmonic pattern. Let's see what's going on here, because it does look like it hit. So let's see. Yeah, so here you got some kind of cipher, or rather anti-cipher. It does look like it wants to turn around here. Is there anything else on here? Is this a thing? Yeah, so actually this is a thing. So you have this like this cipher, and then you got this kind of like Navarro pattern going on here, where we tagged this level twice. I think what's going to happen here, I think we're going to come up and at least tag this candle right here, right there. I think we're going to tag that area, and especially that candle. It looks like it would put us like right at like the 618 or the 786. So if we just draw a quick Fibonacci here, that level would be like right at the 618. If that happens, you know, more ranging, and we could form some kind of Gartley pattern here, and I'm going to put it off to the side just so you can kind of see it a little bit better. But if we came up to like the 618, it could potentially do something like that, some kind of Gartley pattern, where we would just kind of, while we're kind of ranging in this box here, I would just kind of range in these box. And if a Gartley like this forms, then typically that is just a temporary pullback, and then we could blast down. If that kind of happens while we range in this box here, we have this larger overall dragon pattern, as I showed you earlier, and I also posted that in the Discord. If that Gartley kind of forms, that would be really exciting. What I think is going to happen is that tonight we're going to come up and hopefully catch this. It doesn't have to be there at the 618. It could actually come up here and tap some of these other candles up here. You know, it could come up. You know, it could come up clear up here if it needed to. But I don't think that's the case. Let's tag that and keep that, you know, in the back of our heads, because then we'll enter it back into our short, and then tomorrow we get to take more of it, put it back in our pocket. We're in this overall larger double top. Boop, boop. There's 1,000 scenarios that could work its way out. Nothing is set in stone, and nobody knows which ways this price is going. It may do something like this. It's going to come up here and tag that candle, you know, maybe all the way up to 27,200. I hope it happens tonight in the stream, because that would be pretty exciting.